This is the Lian Li O11D Mini V2, one of the latest additions to the iconic O11 family. It's a compact ATX mid-tower with a dual-chamber design and a smaller footprint than its predecessors. The top cover features a ventilated panel with a built-in dust filter, while the front and side tempered glass panels provide a full panoramic view of the build. The backside panel features two ventilated sections, one micro-perforated area located over the PSU, and another with a dust filter covering the air intake zone. The bottom section comes equipped with a removable dust filter positioned beneath the triple 120mm fan mount. The Lian Li O11D Mini can fit graphics cards up to 400mm in length, and supports motherboards including ATX, back-connected ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX. The motherboard can be mounted in either a high or low position, along with the adjustable cable pass-through plate. This feature is especially useful for micro ATX builds, providing a bit more clearance. The case includes adjustable anti-sag supports for both horizontal and vertical GPU setups, along with dedicated mounting brackets for horizontal and vertical configurations as well. Just remember, the riser cable isn't included. As mentioned before, here we can see the adjustable 24-pin cable pass-through, which allows better alignment with the motherboard's connector layout. Additionally, the I/O panel can be positioned either at the front or on the top of the case, depending on your preferred setup. We'll be using the ROG Strix B650A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard from Asus, a versatile board that supports up to 3 M.2 SSDs. It will be paired with two Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 memory modules, plus a 1TB Kingston SSD for storage. And before we move on, a good news for you.
This video is sponsored by keysfan.com, a trusted online platform offering affordable OEM-style software keys for Windows and Office, where you can get 50% and 62% off using our promo codes. These fully functional licenses are perfect for PC builders or anyone looking to finally activate Windows properly on their system. KeysFan provides instant email delivery, lifetime support, and guaranteed updates to keep your PC running smoothly. Purchasing a key is simple. Click on Windows 11, add it to your cart, enter your discount code. Use PCH50 for 50% off Windows products. Then, get your key and activate. Easy as that. You'll find the link in the description below. All right, now let's get back to the build.
We'll be using the AMD Ryzen 8000 series processor, the 8400F, and cooling will be handled by the Lian Li Hydroshift 360S, a reliable AIO that allows real-time system monitoring and is a great choice for those who prefer a clean and refined aesthetic. we'll be installing Be Quiet Light Wings fans for the airflow system, starting with 3 120mm units positioned as bottom intakes. These are mounted on a 10-degree angle, which enhances the overall appearance and provides a bit more space for cable routing. Power will be supplied by the Deepcool PN850M, modular 850 watts power supply with 80+ gold certification, ensuring reliable power delivery for the entire system. The case brackets can hold ATX power supplies up to 200mm long, leaving plenty of room for cable management, especially if you're only using M2 SSDs. For the graphics card, we're going with the Sapphire AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT, a triple fan cooling system GPU equipped with 16GB of GDDR6 memory, featuring an aluminum backplate that adds both durability and a sleek, premium look.
System online. System override.
Make sure to subscribe for upcoming setups, reviews, and unboxings. And remember to grab those discount codes from our sponsor in the description below.